Sure. Here's the next one.
Yep.
Maybe don't tip over.
Very nice.
Or get stuck.
Let's see it, Willem. Oh, almost. Try it, bub. I saw that. He did it! Nice job!
Especially being the guinea pig.
That gate I just screwed up.
If we need some clay, we can put some clay in there.
It's good for now. Definitely need some.
It's a good looking truck.
Oh, you almost hit that.
Did I almost just hop off and hit it?
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about the orange one anymore.
Right. Well, I had smoking anyway. I don't know how it's going to work.
You pull his rear end back up.
We'll see if it makes me look better.
There you go. There you go. Just had to trust it, didn't you?
Yeah. I didn't even make a different line. And
Keep it towards the wall, not on the wall, but towards it.
Trying to say here, you're pulling on me now.
Okay. Yeah, we'll let it.
A cleared one.
You're lucky every once in a while. Go over there and go.
This was my first build ever, and just gotcha. It doesn't make you go, man. Every week. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, let's go in.
Never change anything. Nothing at all.
There you go.
Wind changer. Let's see what it does.
That was a lot. I do have over under in there.
Just keep that.
Front under drive rears.
Before you get too far, could you let
Yeah,
him loosen up off of you,
Different tires.
and then
right?
jiggle the front and hope the rear will drop?
Kind of,
When I
yeah.
get to it, I
Loosen
start
up,
working
Jay.
on something
Oh
else.
yeah.
Oh no, but it's dropping towards the front.
I'm gonna reverse out of here. Got reverse.
The back is planted because
Yeah.
we got the weight on it. Reverse.
Yep, you got it now.
Yeah, if that tire below that big drop might hit it off.
There it goes.
Now, hold it right there. I'm gonna winch you in and kind of suck this tire to the rock. Let's see if we can pivot on it.
No, I'm.
Yeah.
You ready to let him
See, I haven't
out?
done it by myself anyway.
Reverse,
Take
reverse.
your time, use the gate persistence.
I'm gonna winch you in a little bit.
There you go.
We're gonna need some clay over here.
Oh, that's cool.
That was impressive.
Nice work, fellas.
Like there was no other traffic in the lane ahead of me or next to me or beside me, and I'm like, it couldn't have come from the other side. I don't know where.
Turn into it this
I'm
way.
thinking I kicked it up, but that one left a serious dent to the point where
Can we winch you before you get too far?
Caught on the middle ledge.
The brat.
Need a winch. This is on the cab anywhere. That's all we needed, right there.
Nice job, dude.
I think you got this one, man.
This one. As soon as it hits, this one will slide.
Can you wiggle your back to come?
Oh, right into it. There it is. And again.
I'll give you tips if you need them.
He says specifically.
I think I'll climb it.
How long did it take you guys to do this puzzle?
That's my mother-in-law. Nice job, dude.
There's 2 of them actually.
Yep, you got it. Just be ready for your next one.
The one underneath. The frame broke.
Yeah, that looks like I was doing
She loves
a lot of drinking, throwing stuff.
You good all the way? I'm gonna keep you on.
Yes, we're sitting there, but I think you're good.
I think so. Somebody got a winch.
It's like once
Yeah.
it starts
If
moving,
it's smooth.
once it starts moving, you gotta keep it going.
Can you turn that locker on?
You only had 3 reverses, or 3 wrenches.
1, 2 of them there, and then 3 over there.
Lava rock's gonna help you. Nice job, dude. That was sick.
So Ray-Ban had like.
I get like so zoned in on either driving or judging, and I forget, and I'm like, shoot. Video.
Oh, watch out, it's gonna come around there. Try to flip it back over the tire.
I don't want to hit his winch as he's winching.
Flip it around the other side of the...
You hit that.
Oh my. Hit that gate.
Is that what about where you were?
Yeah, I think so.
And then, where do you want it? On the back? Or do you want it up there yet or
You
not?
see, like in there, there's a slot on the chassis.
Yeah, on the rail. So where do you want the winch stick at?
Let's try over here.
Okay.
Time to go stock.
Apparently not. You can buy all the years to overdrive it.
That's somebody else.
You're all
And
worried.
watch your driver.
I got a 10, by the way.
Just orange.
Thank Trevor. Trevor killed it.
Comes to the,
The creative wincher over here. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna reverse. Am I clear?
No, you
You
are.
bring purple
Okay, I'm gonna
down?
take the reverse, say like you did.
I would be worried if I tried to pull your layer, I couldn't get your front.
Okay, you're over there now, so what do you want me
But
to
if
do?
I pulled your front,
Let's go.
I could
Yeah,
pull
you
your
can hit
front
this gate.
backwards.
Then straight to here.
You don't have that.
I'm gonna hit the gate. Let's come off of it. I'll go down around this way.
Yeah.
Sounds like a boat. Just hold, flip it right over and we'll call it a day.
Yep, I'm good with it.
Yep. Okay. See the hole where it's
See,
at.
yep, that's what I was trying to find. That's what we were. What inserts were you in finding those?
These ones are running the pink Mias ones.
Mias ones?
Yep.
Now they do, right? Come on, you gotta get rid of your corn.
ooh, our winter storm warnings turned red.
More snow? Is that what that means? Just kind of frame rail rolling over the body, kind of.
Well, the weather channel that was saying 6 to, or, what was it, 4 to 8 for us before. The weather channel has now upgraded that to 6 to 14. So that 25 plus really probably will happen.
Nicely done, dude. I thought that tire would get used more.
Nobody's really played with it except for you.
So he's gonna start doing modified rentals or something at the store. So I was like, hey, I'm interested in trying to get a 10 scale, but I don't have the cash. I would rather try to trade and then make up, you know. He's like, well, bring what you got. Let me look at it. So I showed him 2 trucks, and he was like, well, we can trade these trucks. All right. And I was like, well, I got a box of parts and spare stuff. Well, he was like, really? What do you got over here? I was like, well, he came over, his eyes got big. He's like,
Jeremy.
he's like, what are you doing? What are you
Jeremy,
doing with
Creekside.
this stuff? You just gonna throw it away?
Nicely
I'm
done.
not gonna throw it away, but, you know. So I was like, if I can, you want it, you know.
In doubt, throttle out. Run
Just keep it this way.
I think it's just gonna slide.
If you keep it this way, it shouldn't. Move your rear just slightly.
There we go.
Mine did the same thing. And then curl around it, go passenger with the front.
Yep, you got it.
Don't hit it, just watch.
You can do it.
We're gonna watch Bart go down this hill. He's doing so good. Look at his cool wheels.
Yeah. I like them.
Move the winch.
He's moving on him. Yeah.
You want to crab the rear?
Yeah.
Crap.
It's that stupid.
I have to hit the button to do it. That's
Oh, okay.
There you go. Good. Oh! I was saying good save as it happened.
Nope, it's not gonna.
I'll get through there still.
How?
Can we get off here?
Nobody else makes it through here.
Or you want to?
Let's see what we can do.
All the way down to it, I guess. We'll see.
Yeah, just
Can
in
you
case.
climb up at all? Turn your.
Can that Mia's controller do the rear steer from one of those knobs?
Yeah.
It can.
Yeah, I just haven't.
And 3D print a little.
I've been telling him to switch it.
I just need,
Have I?
I need something. Yes, I need something a little bit bigger to come up here.
3D print one.
Yeah.
Daddy.
3D print a little finger
Anybody
for it.
with a 3D print? I don't. Or good one?
Hey, Daddy.
I do know how to
All right, hit the
make
button.
funny stuff.
Freaking pinch and zoom in. See that? Isn't that cool? Go, Mommy, go.
Oh my God.
Thanks, babe.
Turn your rear, babe. Turn your rear, babe.
Good job.
All right, Mom. Hit the button.
Why'd you make him go back over?
Jay's up next.
Flip your rear. Now turn your front.
I need to cut the rear axle on that.
Keep it moving as you do.
Sharper turn on the rear.
What's happening? Is that the rude lady that did way back when she was driving on the subdivision? I was driving at her.
He got a whole new truck while he was here.
Great. Got extra collection.
Come this way. You could always whip it around if you end up pointing more that way.
Well, let's see if we can.
Yeah, nice job, dude.
Hang on a second here. I'm gonna put this in a different spot. Yeah, and try to use it as your.
So we don't have to drive. Take a long trip.
Yep. All right, go ahead.
This was true. Just right here.
We're good.
Sure.
Ride the rail.
before you break, son. Alright, let me win before you break. Let me win before you break. Let me win shit before you break.
Okay.
Nicely done.
Hold on. Wait, turn.
I hit it.
Can I run with you?
Yeah.
All right, I'll follow
Go
you.
ahead.
A couple penguins.
Alright, wait. Let me let you loose.
I'm not worried about hitting the gate though.
Cut. Oh, he's. I think that feels it.
Hold it.
What